biting people out of nowhere. So I would rather, if she's going to bite me, that she does it when I can cry without feeling bad of crying in front of you guys. So we're just going to leave Red right here. She is a scarlet macaw. You can find them in South America in the Amazon. Red, can you say hello? Say hello.
Cracker?
Cracker. Say hello.
Now she's laughing.
She thinks she's so funny. Red, say hello. Alright.
Say hello and I'll give you a cracker.
You know what the funny thing is? She doesn't even like crackers. She asks for them all the time and she doesn't like them.
Why?
I don't know. Now she's dancing. So Red says hello, apple, cracker, and she'll even say I love you, but she only says it when she means it. And then she learned a new word. You guys want to see what she'll say back to you? If you wave your hands like this, without the other hand in front of you, but if you wave like this and say bye.
Hi.
Good girl, Red! Oh, good job! Yeah, I think it's funny.
She wants to be on TV.
Yes, she does.
Bye.
Um,
Does she say?
Cracker.
I love you. And make a heart with you.
no, but that would be a very good thing to do.
Oh, if she doesn't like crackers, I'm not joking. Be sure to say.
She's waving at you.
You give me a cracker, I smack you.
No, we want Red to say nice words. So the coolest thing I think about a kind of bird like this is not only just how smart they are and they can learn how to say different words and mimic you, but also her beak. That top beak is all solid keratin. Does anybody know what that is?
No.
Does anybody know that they have keratin on their bodies? Does anybody know that? It makes up your fingernails and your hair. And keratin also makes up her toenails and her feathers. And then that bottom beak, she'll actually scoop shells into it, and she'll take her tongue and she'll eat one seed at a time, and she'll take them out of the bottom beak.
Does she
Does she eat clams? No, but she might want to play with a clam someday.
Not a good idea.
And that's what this is right here for her. This is a toy that we had Grace in here, and there's still some hair that she hasn't figured out how to get out for herself yet. So why don't I take out another we'll just kind of pet on nicely.
When someone tries to bite it, they'll get hurt.
It would kind of be like if you bit into a meatball with toothpicks inside of it. It wouldn't feel good, right?
Definitely.
No, it would really hurt. So Sonic here, all these spines, they are attached to his body. They don't come out like a porcupine's do. Let's turn you around, buddy, so everybody can see your cute little face. And he has another more, which is those guys. Nope, we're going to touch this one.
Make the music. What? Hello? Hello?
You pet one of these? What is it? Can you tell me?
Cracker? What did you say?
Hold it or I'm going to pet it.
Do you remember what? And this kind of bird can be found in South America. And we're just kind of see if Kiki wants to come out on his own. I don't want to force him to come out if he doesn't want to. Sometimes he gets a little nervous around people that he doesn't know. And when he gets nervous, he starts to bite. So we're just going to let him kind of do his own thing while I talk about him. Sun conures are made to have bright yellow feathers on their tummies, so that way when an animal is feeling...
Are we going to skip these guys?
We are going to skip these guys because the animals in here are animals that you're going to see anyways. Like there's a chinchilla in here. I'm going to take out a hedgehog in a couple of minutes.
Hedgehog.
And then there's a...
When it's even a moment for a chance. Oh, well, it's that was the man, the girl.
Well, Obadiah is the boy. That's the girl right there, Petra. The boy, Obadiah, is out on a show right now. So I'm going to take out a chinchilla for you guys to touch and practice that no touching on his face rule.
I know, Bob.
And that's great. The red one is her favorite one, though. All right, mister, I'm going to have you scooch out of the way and I'm going to let Fiona go home.
Kind of a tease to have you right across from the rats, huh?
Now, Fiona's going to start yelling.
Just listen to what they say.
Hi, Snuggles. He's like all like into the whole snuggling thing right now. Now, one really cool thing about skunks, they can spray up to 12 feet away from where they're standing, so you guys are in the black zone. They'll charge you those dollars to turn around and flip up their tail. You're not moving right away. On Wednesday, where it's like this.